Today we are going to talk about Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka is a beautiful, exotic destination full of culture, nature, wildlife, and smiling faces. Unfortunately, Sri Lanka now facing huge environmental problems. In this video I am going to show you how we should deal with these problems better. These environmental problems have escalated because of a high population growth and the increasing industrialization in Sri Lanka since the 1980s. A lack of public awareness and participation in government policies and environmental standards has amplified the problems. However, Sri Lanka's government has undertaken several efforts to encounter environmental issues. Let's talk about what are the major environmental pollution problems in Sri Lanka. Air pollution. The main source of ambient air pollution in Sri Lanka is vehicular emissions, which contributes to over 60% of total emissions in Colombo. Measures have been taken to reduce outdoor air pollution due to vehicular emissions. The National Policy on Urban Air Quality Management was adopted in 2000. Water pollution. In 2000, only 25% of the households in Sri Lanka got their water through pipes. Even the water that does come through the pipe from local suppliers is not monitored efficiently. This is why a part of the population does not get clean drinking water. Deforestation. The forest cover of Sri Lanka in 2019 was reported to be 16.5%, down from 29.7% in 2017. The problem of deforestation in Sri Lanka is not as significant in the southern mountainous regions as it is in northern and lowland southern Sri Lanka, largely due to the nature of environmental protection. Environmental dumping in Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka is a known transit point for waste as it is located along one of the busiest shipping routes in the world. Even then, the accidental discovery of waste containers imported to the country in 2017 and 2018 was a surprise. So what should we do then? We can all work together to discover solutions to the massive problems in reducing pollution of all kinds. Yes, it can be done. So how should we do this? From now on, let's talk about how to save our Sri Lanka and the earth. There are many ways to protect our environment. Let's have a look. Reduce, reuse and recycle. While there are many ways that people can combat the growing risk of pollution in our world today, most people still do. However, that is dead wrong. Recycling plastic, paper and other waste products is an incredible way to keep a lot of those items from ending up in our oceans or landfills. If everyone practiced the 3 R's of recycling, reduce, reuse, recycle, we would see a drastic drop in plastic pollution. Volunteering. Environmental volunteering is your chance to protect our nature on land as well as below the water. If you love the great outdoors and hands-on work, then our nature conservancy projects will be the perfect choice for you. Conserve water. While almost 70% of the earth is made up of water, many parts of the world suffer from clean water shortage. Conserving water is important because it keeps water pure and clean while protecting the environment. Shop wisely. Shopping with the environment in mind will conserve resources, prevent waste, and save money. Buy durable products, instead of buying disposable products, which are wasteful. Buy things that will last a long time, such as rechargeable batteries and reusable plastic mugs for drinks. Use long-lasting light bulbs. LED bulbs typically offer a lifespan between 10 and 20 years and are the longest-lasting bulb. CFL bulbs will last for several years, and halogen bulbs typically need to be replaced once every year or two. So it's better to use LED bulbs and save energy to protecting the environment. Planting trees. As trees grow, they help stop climate change by removing carbon dioxide from the air, storing carbon in the trees and soil, and releasing oxygen into the atmosphere. Trees provide many benefits to us, every day. If you can plant a tree every day, it would be a huge benefit for our environment. So would you try to protect our world? If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and share this video. Thank you.